Hi guys, it has been a while since my last video. Today I got here a Mecerdes GLA 2-liter GLA45 2-liter Amg premium. Okay, here's the key. Here's the key. Yeah, here's the key. Okay, I'm going to show you how to change the battery. Okay. Okay, first you need to remove the key here. Yeah, see here, there's a slide here. You just push it to the side and then the key will come out like that. See? Okay, and then there's a clip here on the other side. Yeah, you can use the key to push it, or you can use the screwdriver to push it, and then this cover here we pull out. See? Here's the battery. It's battery 2025. Okay, just use the screwdriver to take it out, and the new battery go in. Okay, put the cover back on, but this side, yeah, go in first. Okay, go in first like that. Yeah, you press it down. That's it. It's all done. Okay, and then put the key back on. There you go. Okay, thank you for watching. Yeah, this is this is a Mecerdes GLA45 2-liter Amg. It's model year 2014 to 2017. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.